Good day, participants, as you are about to learn and enjoy on the comfort of your home. To make this seminar amazing and productive, kindly follow these simple rules. Number 1. In line with the Data Privacy Act, we would like to inform you that this online training is recorded. Your participation means that you are giving consent to be recorded. 2. Be on time. Be here 5 minutes before the online training starts. 3. Turn off your microphone. If you would like to speak, click the hand raise icon, then wait for the facilitator to address your concern. Number 4. Use the chat function. You may also send your question and concern in the chat option. It will be addressed during Q&A. 5. Take down notes. Writing down notes will help you remember important concepts from the training. 6. Be polite and courteous at all times. And number 7, don't forget to accomplish the attendance and evaluation right after the training. The training is about to start. Sit back, learn, and enjoy. God bless us all.